6 peptides, 40% matrix, 1 powerful solution. Meet PEP40. As we age, all of skin's building blocks start to break down. This is advanced aging. Collagen, elastin, filibrin, fibronectin, lipids, and water. Those are the 6 major building blocks of your skin. Skin research created a 6 peptide blend that is proprietary, award-winning, and at a 40% matrix. Nothing is going to tackle all 6 reasons why you are suffering from advanced aging like PEP40. PEP40 is going to solve the dryness, the sagging, the lines, the wrinkles, the elasticity, the texture, the plumpness, and volume of the skin. And it's all been clinically proven, and it starts working in as little as 7 days to show you results. PEP40 is rich, but not greasy. The base of PEP40, again, it's not a jar of water. The first ingredient is a 10,000 times concentrated aloe. And in addition to that, shea butter, marula, sea buckthorn, and baobab. This is a rich, indulgent, luxurious treatment to really help you with the signs of advanced aging.